Welcome to our channel, a space dedicated to showcasing fashion and beauty through stylish visual content. In each video, I present elegant outfits and modern looks in a creative and respectful way. With every scene, you will see a beautiful girl styled with a different look and artistic touch. You will now see beautiful girl number 1, then we smoothly move to number 2, followed by number 3, continuing with number 4 and number 5, then number 6 and number 7, reaching number 8 and number 9, and finally beautiful girl number 10. The goal of this channel is to highlight fashion, style, and visual aesthetics in an enjoyable way. Watch until the end, share your favorite number in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Somali beauty is known around the world. Today, we will showcase the top 10 most beautiful Somali girls, but the number 1 spot may surprise you.
don't want your crazy self. All the flex, when you flex,
Oh
all
my
the flex, when you
God.
flex, you dey stress me, I wish